What's going on, YouTube? A quick tutorial to show you something you can try if for some reason your basic Excel functions aren't working like you think they should. So here we have a scenario where we have selling general and administrative costs, and right here we have total selling general administrative costs. And here we have three sum functions, right? One in column B, one in column C, one in column D. And if you notice, they look weird, right? We have this sum function in column D, for example, that leads up to $1 million. But why would a sum function lead to $1 million, would have a total of $1 million, if the first thing that's adding is 2 million, and then the fourth thing is 800,000, right? These two things, 2,800,000, should obviously add up to more than $1 million. And here's right here, this 4 million is in fact what it should be. So one thing that happens sometimes was the case in this is if you are importing data from a PDF, importing data from another source, or copying and pasting, sometimes it comes in as text. And one thing that you can do to test this theory is first look at ISNUMBER. And basically this is a function that just says, hey, if it's a number, then return true. And here we already have a false, right? So you can see false, right? False is saying 494,000 right there is not a number. And this is very important because ultimately the sum function is only going to add numbers. It is not going to add text. You can test the text theory right now to use ISTEXT. And as you can see, what was false when you did ISNUMBER is now true when you do ISTEXT. And one thing you can do to get around this problem is you can just add blank cells to the things that are coming up as text, and that will make it a number. So to do this, copy some blank cells, go to the cell that you want to make a number, right click, and then go to paste special, hide it over it, being a little finicky, there you go, paste special, and then over there under paste special, under operation, you just click add, and then click OK. And then as you can see, the numbers are adding up to what they should be. That said, this is what they are, this is what they should be. As you can see, they are the same. So with that said, I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. Hopefully it saves you a headache. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon. Free stock is in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.